from class 6A are going to ask questions on Birsa Movement. Question number 1. When do we celebrate Birsa Munda Jayanti?
In November.
Yes.
Question number 2. When did Birsa Munda live? I repeat my question. Where did Birsa Munda live? Yes, the correct answer is Jharkhand.
Question number 3. Who inspired Birsa Munda? I repeat my question. Who inspired Birsa Munda? The answer is Christianity.
Question number 4. Where was Birsa Munda was hanged? I repeat my question. Where was Birsa Munda was hanged? Yes, the correct answer is Ranchi.
Question number 5. When did Birsa Munda die?